Hi everyone. I want to just talk on security a little. That's what I work in, and that's my kind of thing. So, I want to talk on how search can be better with keeping data isolated and also secure at the same point of time. I want to talk on one of the basic scenarios where modularity, why we need modular things. And let's consider a scenario here. There's a SaaS analytical platform tool where multiple customers or multiple tenants come up and they just upload their alerts and monitoring logs into those cluster of an open search cluster, and it's being indexed with only one indexing, which is the pattern of log s with a star, right? So let me keep it with basic simple things. There is one tenant A which uploads their logging data, and there's tenant B which also uploads their logging alert and metric logging audit logs there. And both of these customers are sharing one cluster, right? So do you think that the tenant B will have data breached, right? Because he or the customer will have access to another customer's data as well, be it logs, be it metrics, right? So this is not what modularity means. And this is a basic scenario where any customer's data will be at breach. So I want to keep it, what are the challenges that we face in kind of customer scenarios where clustering needs to be loosely or tightly coupled with cohesion into consideration. So if it's a loosely data isolation, then tenants share those datas, right? So that's our biggest challenge that we face. And it's based on role-based RBAC roles, right? So role-based access needs to be done so that all the restrictions are there based on what customer is acting upon. So those kind of broad level permissions need not be used. And lack of defense, obviously in depth, because customers' data is compromised at a bigger level, right? And it's hard to audit and monitor as well, because you are not able to monitor what person is doing what kind of actions, right? So these are the challenges, and I want to keep it just simple, like one of the principle that I follow is make it highly cohesive so that its closely related data is kept in one cluster, and also make it loosely coupled so that the data is not so dependent on each other and you're not having cross joins to be done, right? So that's what my design principle works. And some solutions that I practice in my coding skills would be just adding some RBACs, so that, and default deny is one thing that I usually perform, and least privilege access is another thing. So these are the isolation layers that I currently implement, like firstly authenticate who the person is, who am I, then claims that the person has, that is authorization, am I allowed to do these kind of operations or not. And then there needs to be two more things that help in security. That would be document level security, DLS, and that would be field level security, that is FLS. So document level security is basically hiding the data, and inside the data, if you have per customer's data, that is field level security. So I'm just open to any kind of solutions and learning from you people what kind of security measures your application takes into account to avoid data breaches. So yeah, I'm open to that. If you want to add up anything, that was it. I want to learn from you people as well. So yeah, I'm open to learning.
What kind of feedback can we provide as a team of experts in this room?
So let me share some feedback that we have from SAP. So as a background, we are running a service that is multi-tenant. It's based on a huge open search stack. That means it's like, imagine like 80 nodes running on 8 core machines. And it has 12,700 users. I just looked it up. That needs to be separated per tenant. And what we at the moment do historically is that we don't use OpenSearch security. It's completely off, and we have an own reverse proxy in front of that does the tenant separation in a way that it checks, it adds to every query a field saying you need to be like, this is the tenant field, you need to match this. So it's an OAuth plugin. So it takes an OAuth and does this. But this is because we had this historically implemented, like I think 8 years ago. And we have a really tight security team that tested that for us and says that it works. So it's basically unobtainable for anybody else if you do not want to write that. And we have tested with the document level security of OpenSearch. And it would also be able to do this, maybe not at that scale, but it is also hard to configure it so that you do not break it with some configuration that is not on point. Like with the, for instance, with the cluster wildcards that you have here, like you need to be sure that nobody basically introduces, for instance, a logs minus star index pattern, so they get access to the index of the other tenant. So you really have to be careful on how to identify the tenant and how to configure the document level security. But in principle, this works.
Yeah, I have a similar talk tomorrow on SAS tokens in dynamic authentication so that better security measures are taken. I have a talk on that tomorrow. So for better security, yeah.
So we have connected this with the SAML integration of OpenSearch security, and that works fine. But you need to have all the the corner cases. Like, what if some user does not have a role attached? What is he entitled to see then? So what is the defaults to be really sure that nothing bad happens then?
Any other thoughts that can add up to security in OpenSearch?
Not a thought per se, but do a lot of people just end up running separate clusters for every customer, for every tenant?
But that adds up to a lot of maintainability, right?
Yeah, right. And then just get better at running them all. And yeah,
That's
each
a
one's
brute force
smaller.
one.
I'll just add that we have a managed cloud for ClickHouse, not Elastic or OpenSearch, but that's how we do it. And Terraform is awesome, or OpenTofu, your preference.
That's our second approach. Like our so basically that's our second approach. Our new service is spinning up an instance for each and every customer. So it's 11,000 of them now. So like if you can run it, if you can manage that and run at that scale, then and it's just a question of how many tenants you have, right? If you're talking like two digits numbers, okay, then you should be fine with what OpenSearch have with safe defaults. If you're running now at 5 figures like we do, then you do maybe something a little bit different.
Yeah.
The point that I was thinking about was, I mean, it's not really related to security or data breach per se. Of course, that is super critical, and you have to, that is the foremost thing, right? But once you have cleared that decision, and let's say you decide to do multi-tenancy on the same OpenSearch cluster, one should also look at how one tenant affects, or how one tenant's performance can affect the other tenants. For example,
If it's a sharing cluster, you mean?
if they're exactly if they're sharing the cluster, so once you have figured out the data breach and if your solution is bulletproof, right? You should then also consider the blast radius that one tenant can produce, and also consider that when you design it. Yeah. So, for example, you said, how about I'm not sure if you said it, but how about having one tenant per domain, or one domain per tenant, right?
Yeah.
Then what if you have thousands of tenants? You end up spinning thousands of domains. It's not just the maintenance; it's also the cost. Because every domain then have to have separate master nodes and stuff. Yeah, so it adds up cost and everything.
Adds up to a lot of infra plus.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So maybe to share some more insights, if you put multiple tenants on an OpenSearch cluster, the security is the one thing, the performance separation is another. That is something that OpenSearch absolutely does not do. So if you have one tenant that is using queries and just overloading the cluster, the other tenants will not be able to search anymore. So you have to be really careful. So like this is something that is really hard to limit in the end. So you can fill up the search queues with just one tenant and the others basically have an unavailable system.
Probably there is another consideration about the data restrictions that a client has. So if the requirement from client is not to be on a shared instance, so you have to separate your infrastructure to serve this tenant with a dedicated cluster, and also with somehow sometimes there are subtenants that you have to divide into roles and then give partial access.
So a shared
to
cluster
something.
with multiple tenants in it, and
Yes,
then
for one single client,
Yeah.
and probably some of the clients are all able to have used on a shared cluster, but some clients may request for a single instance with no other logical access to any other systems.
Yeah. But that will need a role-based access, right? I mean,
For the shared
for the
cluster,
shared one.
for a
yeah.
shared cluster,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
However, if you have a dedicated cluster because a client is requesting it and you need to have subtenants within the client, then you also have a role-based access.
Yep.
It's just a must then.
Yeah. Thank you. You can
Last
add your
comment.
mind. It's completely fine.
To answer your thing, so I'm not advertising, maybe I am. I have a talk tomorrow talking about how one can minimize the impact for a multi-tenancy workload, how you can minimize the performance blast radius, so to say. Yeah.
Thank you.